Presentation and interpretation, let's discuss about stem leaf graph. You know what is a stem? Stem means this is a stem in a tree. Okay, leaf means okay. In stem there are some subdivisions. Okay, subdivision in that we will have leaf. Okay, this is the same thing we are going to use in mathematical way. Okay, if I give you some data sets like this. Okay, 25, 32, 22, 30, 28, 29, 35 and 36. Okay, this is the given data. According to the given data, we have to draw a stem leaf graph. For that, okay, what is gonna be our stem and leaf? We have to identify our stem and leaf data. For that, stem means, okay, when we consider about this data set, the number, okay, the number tens place value, okay, tens place value is considered as a stem. Okay, here these are some, when you consider about these values, these are in between 20 to 30. So we can take their stem as 2. Okay, their stem as 2. Why we are selecting 2? Okay, in that, then in your leaf you have to order that from least number to highest number. You should order that in ascending order. So amongst the given, okay, given values, least value is 22. So first of all, in your leaf you should mark 2. Okay, then second one 5, third one 8 and fourth one 9. Okay, this one we noted this and this. Okay, what I did here, there are so many data sets given. Okay, in this question there are so many data given. Okay, by using that, with the help of that, you should utilize what's gonna be our stem in this case. Okay, to identify the stem you have to interpret the data. Okay, when you think about this data set, when you look at this data set, you can clearly see there are some numbers with, okay, the first number 2, that means the 10th place. 10th place of these numbers are 2, so we have to place the tens place in a stem. Okay, tens place in a stem. Okay, in our leaves we can mark 2, 5, 8, 9. So what's the name of this leaf? Okay, when you think about this leaf is located in this stem now. So this name of the leaf should be 29. This is 28, 25, 22. Likewise, we have to represent the given data in stem and leaf. I hope you understood this one now. Okay, then our second stem is 3. Okay, in that, the least one amongst these 4 values is 30. So the leaf value should be 0. Okay, it's possible to keep 0 in a leaf. It's okay. Then 32, that means the leaf is 2 here, then leaf is 5 here, and the highest one, leaf is 6 here. This is the way, this is the easiest way to interpret your data according to the given data set to indicate them in a stem leaf diagram. Next thing, okay, when we deal with some higher numbers, okay, that means we deal with 135, 142, 128. This is the given data. In this data set, we are going to indicate the given data set in a stem leaf graph. Okay, you should remember one thing. In our leaf, okay, in our stem, we can indicate double digits. Okay, that means when you consider about this data set, everything, okay, everything holding the first digit as 1. So 1 is a common parameter. You should think about your second number. Here 135, 142, 128, 111. So in our stem, we can categorize that as 11, 12, 13, 14, because this is the only 4 possible stems according to the given dataset. When you identify them, you will understand how it came from. Okay, when you look at the dataset, only stems are in between this range. Okay, in between this range. Yeah, so stem is this one. Okay, in our leaf, okay, in our leaf, okay, first of all we'll identify the data and represent them accordingly. Okay, stem 11 and leaf 1. Okay, this is the only possible data set. Then let's categorize 1, 2. That means 12 in a stem, 12. So this one, this and this. Amongst these four values, the least one is 2 and 5, 7 and 8. Okay, this is the way you should indicate in ascending order. Then in this one, 135, 132, 134, 139. So amongst these 2, 4, 5, 9. In last one, 140, that means 0, and 142, 2, 147, 7. Okay, this is the possible way. After indicating this, you should indicate key. Key means how to read this stem and leaf graph. That is an important thing in this kind of stuff. That means when you indicate 12, okay, there is a slash here. 2, 12, 2 means, it means key means 122. Likewise, you should indicate how to read the given data set, how to read the stem leaf graph. This is an important thing. After finishing stem and leaf representation, you should indicate key 12/2. 12/2 means 122. Okay, 122. Another thing you should understand. Okay, rather than writing 11 1, okay, 11 1, I can write 1 and 11. Okay, 1 and 11. Otherwise, 1 and 22, 1 and 25, 1 and 27. That's not possible. Okay, in your leaf, only you can indicate maximum 1 digit. Okay, in your leaf side, maximum possible number count is 1. Okay, that means in your stem, there is no any limit to indicate your stem. It might be 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits possible. But in your leaf side, only the maximum, only possible one is 1 digit. You can represent only 1 digit in your leaf graph. Okay, that means 112. There are 2 digits in your stem. That's not a problem. In your leaf representation, you can only indicate 1 digit for a particular data. This is the thing you should understand before starting to do stem and leaf diagram. In this question, okay, let's identify our stem and leaf first. Okay, stem and leaf. Okay, I'll use different colors to indicate different stems. Okay, first of all, with stem 1, that means in first row this one, this, and here this and this. Is all correct? Yeah. Amongst these, the least one is 4. So 14, 15, 18 and 19. Okay, correct. Then second one with stem 2. This, here this one, and this one. Yeah. Amongst these, the least one is 0, 20. Again, okay, here there is a 20. Again also there is a 20. So you should indicate 0 twice. Okay, 0 should be indicated twice. Then 25, 27 and 29. Okay, then with stem 3, that means 1 here, another one. Yeah, these are possible ones. Amongst these, you should identify the least one. There are 232 participants, so 1, 2, again 33, then 35, 6, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Okay, 7 and 9. In 4, okay, in your stem 4, remaining ones. So least one is 0. There is a 40, then 41, then 43, 44, 45 and 46. Okay, this is the way you should indicate your stem and leaf graph. After that, for your reference, you can indicate anything. 3 and 6. 3/6. 3/6. means this one indicates 36. That's all for our answer. Okay, this is the way you should indicate your stem and leaf diagram.